Good morning, 7th A. Welcome to the biology class, children.
Good morning.
Morning. Now, children, as you are well aware that we are finished with the lesson. Yes. Now, today we are going to start with the written work in the copies. And for that, all of you first be ready with your interleaf copies. Interleaf copy is a copy where one side is ruled and the other side is plain. Be ready with that type of copy with your pencil box and your books. Shall we proceed, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first thing is that, yes, the first thing is that those who do not have the fair copy right now, those who are there in the call, out of them, those who do not have the fair copies, the interleaf copy, please tell me right now.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Who is it?
Ma'am, Shri Agrawal, because I'm at my grandparents' house.
It's okay, it's okay. Yes, that is why I have asked. See, now those who do not have the copy need not worry. Whatever is being told, you will just make a note of it in the rough copy. Okay, for the time being. Yes, so you do it in your rough and later you can copy it down in your fair. So need not worry and do not think that ma'am is not going to ask me. अगर मेरे पास copy नहीं है तो काम ही नहीं करना है. ऐसा नहीं है. You have to do it in your rough copies. Now, listen very carefully now, all of you. What you'll be doing is, those who are doing in rough, आप इस चीज को लिख लेंगे कि ऐसा करना है, and those who are doing in fair, you do it right now. Now open the first page of your copy, the very first page of your copy. Open it. Take a pencil in your hand. Take a pencil in your hand. Fine. Now on the first page with the pencil, write the heading profile. P-R-O. Those who are, again I repeat, those who do not have the fair copy, you will do it in your rough copies. Please do it. Write the heading, the first page of your fair copy, write the heading profile. P-R-O-F-I-L-E. Profile. With the pencil, you are going to write this heading. I repeat, for those who have just joined or those who have joined late, that if you do not have the rough copy, do not worry. Those who have the rough copy, open it. Those who have the fair copy, open it. Your fair copy will be interleaf copy, which is ruled on one side and plain on the other side. This type of copy you're going to take for biology. Open its first page and take a pencil in your hand and write the heading profile. Ruled page pe, write the heading profile on the first page. Spelling of profile is P-R-O-F-I-L-E. Any confusion in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fine. Now just leave that page and turn to the other page. उस पेज को पलट दीजिए. Come to the next page. Come to the next page. Now here again with the help of your pencil, write down the heading introduction. Introduction. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Somebody's speaker is on. Please put it off. So on the first page with the help of pencil, you have written the heading profile. You have turned the page and on the second page you have written introduction with the help of your pencil. I hope this much is done. Everyone has done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now open the third page. Open the third page. Leave the first page, second page with the heading that I've told you. Now come to the third page and you can see on WhatsApp group you have some pictures. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the question answers. Okay. Now, as yes. Now, as the work is provided to you, the same way you are going to do it in your copies from the third page. Now, what has to be written in profile? What has to be written in introduction? That will be given. Don't worry about it. Once you finish with this, it will be provided and it will be explained. Okay. Now, see that I have used blue and black pen. Second thing is, if you just observe it clearly, you will be able to see that all the headings are underlined. And also there is a line at the end of each and every answer. So make sure that you do it the same way. आप heading लिख के ये नहीं सोचेंगे कि बाद में कर देंगे. That बाद never comes. As you write the heading lesson 1, you just put a line under it. You write nutrition and plants and you draw a line. And please learn and develop a habit of doing this because you will be doing the biology work in the same way. Now, important thing is you can see the date as 9/6/21. Since I teach the other sections also, so you have to make a change in the date. So what are you going to write? You will write 10/6/21. I hope this is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
So just leave page 1, page 2 of your copy, and from the third page, start doing the work in the same way. In case you find any problem in the word that is you cannot read or something that is not clear to you, you can ask right now. As you are writing, you can ask questions. Okay. So I'm putting my mic off right now. As soon as you ask question, I'll put it on. Okay. Do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest of you, those who were there in the call from the beginning, you please do your work. For those who have just joined, I'm telling you, only they are going to listen. Rest of you continue doing your work. For the ones, those who have just joined, we are starting with the written work today. For written work, for biology, you need to have interleaf copy with you. If you do not have interleaf copy is a one which is ruled on one side and plain on the other side. Now what you will do is, Rachel Verma, what is the problem? Why you put the okay, so what you'll do is you are going to make an interleaf copy, and if you do not have interleaf copy, you will do this work in the rough copy. Fine. Now, first on the first page, the very first page of the copy, with the pencil only, not with the pen. With the pencil, write down the heading profile. PROFILE. On the first page, write the heading profile with the help of pencil only and leave the page like that. Then turn to the second page and again with the help of pencil only, write down the heading introduction. 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 First page also you'll leave. Second page also where you've written the heading introduction, you will leave. So profile page, introduction page, you will leave like that. Now you'll move on to the third page. And third page, you will begin your work. As you can see, I have sent it on the group, WhatsApp group, the same way as it is written. You will write and you will do the work in the same way. Blue and black pen you'll be using. The black pen you'll be using for writing the heading, and you see that I have underlined also the headings. Yes, the same way there is a line after finishing one answer. So same way you are also going to do the work. So right now all the other children, those who were there in the call from the beginning, they are doing the work. Please do your work, all of you. In case there is any problem, anything that you are not able to understand, you can inform me. I'm very much present here. I'm putting my speaker off so that you do not get disturbed. In case you find problem, please inform me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Any problem, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Keep doing your work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, Advika here. Ma'am, in differentiate between ma'am first part, ma'am,
Yes,
autotrophs and heterotrophs. Ma'am,
yes.
can you read the part of heterotrophs, ma'am? I'm little bit confused, ma'am, in that from that.
Heterotrophs are the organisms, in bracket animals and non-green plants like bacteria and fungi, that obtain their nutrition from their from organisms as they cannot prepare their own food. Is it okay, Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you confused with, Beta?
I'm confused, ma'am. First or second line, ma'am.
You are not able to read it?
No, ma'am. I'm able to read it, ma'am. I'm confused that there will be that or not, ma'am. Because, ma'am, it
Oh,
is looking like it is cut.
okay, no, that is not there. It is cut.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayush Dubey? Ayush Dubey? Ayush, what happened? You wanted to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. Why you are not telling the answers, but means dictating?
I, your voice is not clear. Ayush, repeat it.
Ma'am, I am saying that why are you not dictating the answers?
Hmm. Why I'm not dictating? Anyone from the class? Advika, can you tell why I'm not dictating the answers? Anyone? Can you tell what we are doing?
Ma'am,
Ayush,
ma'am, you
ma'am
have
said
sent
that
the answer.
she have sent the all the answers on
And
the
the
group
answer.
and you have to
The
do it
answers
in the copy yourself.
I think everybody knows this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
put your mic on. The work is already sent on the group, Ayush. You have to do it. Yes, Aaron? You want to say something? Yes, beta.
No, ma'am. Actually, my phone hanged by mistake. It raised
Okay.
hand.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Advika, yeah, ma'am, can you tell me what is written in saprophytes, ma'am? Difference between second one, ma'am, third line.
Third line.
Yes, ma'am.
Saprophytes
Ma'am,
include all the plants that grow and derive nourishment from dead and decaying organic matter. Example, fungus.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, drive, ma'am, it is drive.
Derive means to take. D-E-R-I-V-E. To get from it. Okay. Derive.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
D-E-R-I-V-E.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. 7th A, please all of you listen carefully now.